Today I will make a reduced fare MetroCard temporary in the booth iPad. Let's go. Tap on Power app. Then in the bottom you see All app. Tap on All app. When you see tap on All app, you can see this page and hit the RFMC transaction. This is the page. Sometimes you cannot see the page. Sometimes changing the page, click the menu button top left and you see over here RF transaction, tap there. After you tap there, you have to log in. Then tap save and close. After that, now you can tap in the bottom level, tap there. Now all information coming. I have to refill this space. Let's go. Now you have to fill up the information. You need customer email or phone number. Any one you need, then you can proceed. I set up the phone number. Let me see. Now fill up reasons for new temporary RF. I tap there and this one coming. I set up damage card. Okay, now proof of eligibility. I tap there valid state driver license, valid passport, valid state driver's license, state ID. I tap there. Okay. Then this side no more. Almost done. Now in the right side I have to customer first name. This is the first name, then last name. Tap there. Then customer date of birth, you can tap there. You can see over here. You can set up. I set up the date of birth. Temporary reduced fare number card. You see that when I lock it, you cannot set up. This one automatic coming. Now station agent set up. My pass number. Then when my name coming, tap there. Then MetroCard serial number. MetroCard serial number. Let me see. Whatever you have in the bundle, you can take from the first one. You see the 8, 9, 10. You need the top one. Just small one. Small to bigger serial. 7, 8, 9, 10. That means I need 7. Number 1. In my serial number 3124. You see when you put automatic in the last one already come here. Then you see already matched this one to that one. Then the first one I tap there. You see acknowledge. Yes. Now fill up all information. Make sure when you see the lock sign, this one you no need to fill up, and all red star you have to fill up. I already fill up everything. Now almost done. Let me see. Okay, now in the top you have to tap a save button. Save. Tap on the save. Let me see. Then this alert. Okay. Okay. Just tap OK. Now the new option over here, you have to take the picture and send them. Now this is the image area. Let me check. This is the board. I now place this my radio sphere. Now I have to take picture from the tablet. In the tablet, I have to tap this icon. You see that camera icon. Now camera come. Then I take the picture. To zoom in and make sure clear the all number coming. You see the tablet. I just take the picture from here. You see from here. I take the picture with the After tablet. Taking the picture, just hit the use photo. Now here coming and tap add note. Okay. When you see the picture is coming, when you take the picture is coming here. When you tap the add note, when you tap add, this one coming, then don't save and close, don't do that. You have to hit the more. When you hit the more, you see the refresh, tap the refresh. Yes, now save and close. That's it. Okay, this is the final step coming. Make sure you have to do continue. You don't delay. I mess up the one card because I do one by one talking with customer. After that, almost 10-15 minutes later, the transaction coming. Your transaction is not accepted. Just make sure when you start to make the card, you have to do continue. Just today I mess up one card. That's why I told you, anyone, when you start to make a new card, don't talk outside, tell them wait, and you do continue. This is the best. And this is the best how to make. Thank you for watching this video.